Hey, it's Mike Grady from Business Fuel Tools. Question I've been getting a lot this week is, what is the best way to promote video marketing services to small businesses in your local area? Well, you can make 100 phone calls a day to businesses who may or may not want your service, or you can create a demonstration video for the industry that you want to sell into. Put a tracking phone number or a link in that video, drive traffic to the video, and then create a free report of the calls generated and the click-throughs. Provide that report as a proof of concept. I've used this strategy many times in the dental, pest control, and chiropractic industries. Or what you can do is contact a well-respected business in your target industry. Offer your service for free as long as they agree to let you use the information as a case study. And then, of course, work your butt off to make that client successful. So that's a process I've used many, many times. Try it out for yourself, and I hope this was helpful.